on Bitcoin, I've got a really strong area of resistance here. I just want you to be aware of it. And I'll explain quickly so you don't have to go back and watch. What we've got here is the previous all-time high from the last bull market. You've got a naked weekly point of control, which is a weekly point of control which hasn't been traded through yet. You've got some single prints which need to be filled, and then you've got the value area high slightly higher up, and then also you've got a fib retracement. Where's my fib retracement gone? I think I deleted it. Let me just do it again. You've got a fib retracement from, which pivot did I use? Probably this pivot. Uh, 786. You see that? 786. So we're right now trying to we're right now above the golden pocket. We've back tested it. It looks like we're trying to flip it into support. Right now, what's happened is we've put in enough volume at this current level that the point of control has moved from this high volume node. It used to be the point of control. It's moved back into they've flipped positions. So now this is just the high volume node. The point of control is here. We're above it, so that's good. So we're trying to flip that into support. Once we flip that into support, then hopefully we can fill this gap really nicely. The little bit of a gap here. And I'm expecting the price to find resistance here. I think you've got quite a large amount of confluence of different types of levels at exactly the same place. 786, single prints. You've got a naked weekly point of control. You've got the value area high slightly above us, and you've got the previous all-time high. I don't expect the price to just walk through this area. And so I think it'll be a good place to short or hedge or look for resistance. And so what I'd be thinking, I'm thinking to myself, if we do go up, find resistance, and maybe we'll come back down to test the point of control, and maybe we'll range here a little bit. Maybe the price will start ranging here for a while. That's what I'm kind of contemplating. A little bit of range bound behavior here, trapped between the point of control and the value area high, putting in some volume here. That's what I'm kind of contemplating right now, and possibly that could be consolidation underneath resistance, which is generally speaking bullish, to go up, but that could take a few days or whatever. And I'm not expecting us to break that level, just simply because I think people will sell. They'll sell into that, and then we have to see if the point of control can hold as a back test, a proper back test. If it holds a support, then you know, you could get another attack at that resistance area, but I don't necessarily think we're going to go through it. So just bear that in mind. If you're looking at the numbers, it's about 69,000 through to about, yeah, it's about 69,000 to 69,500 thereabouts. I think everything's looking quite bullish, so I wouldn't short anywhere here. And obviously the first sign of weakness will be some kind of lower time frame market structure change. Right now, the pivots that I have in mind are these two. These key, I've marked them off as key. So if we suddenly go down to 65,791, I think that would be cause for concern. If we suddenly did that, that would be cause for concern, because that would be a lower low. If we do put in a higher high now, then obviously the lower low, the higher low would change to this pivot here. So we haven't done that yet. So naturally, this is our higher low. If we put in a higher high, then this becomes a higher low. But right now we're not. So it's you know, like even if the price was to do this, it would still be okay, you know, because you haven't taken out the higher low here, which is the one that really matters. Okay.